Hello dear students, very good afternoon to everyone. I hope you are doing your studies very sincerely and very nicely, okay? And I hope also that you are all are in a good health. So today we are going to discuss about very new chapter that is called sequence and series. This is chapter number 9, okay? So in these chapters we are going to learn about what is sequence, and then we know about what is progression, and then we know about arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and then we know about some different type of series, okay? That's why it is called sequence and series. Starting with sequence, basic idea is sequence, and then end by what? Series, okay? So this is the name of the chapter, and very interesting chapter. It is a little long chapter, and few classes will be required to finish it, and it's very applicable in other chapters also. In future also it will required also, okay? So I hope you will enjoy these classes. I'll try my level best to start the topic from very basics to make you understand about sequence, and then discuss about progression, and then other part of the particular chapter, okay? So first, today we are going to discuss that is only sequence. What is actually sequences? Before going to know about sequence, I am going to discuss about a little idea about function. Already you know what is function. Just give a briefing about a sequence. There is a function, and then we relate sequence with what function, okay? तो हमें क्या करना है, थोड़ा सा सीक्वेंस के बारे में जानने के से पहले फंक्शन के बारे में थोड़ा सा जानकारी लेना है, थोड़ा सा रिवीजन करेंगे, और इसके बाद सीक्वेंस का डेफिनेशन, एंड देन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट सीक्वेंस के बारे में जानेंगे, ठीक है? तो आप लोगों को पता होगा व्हाट इज़ फंक्शन. सो जस्ट आई विजुअलाइज यू व्हाट इज़ फंक्शन. ओके, सपोज देयर आर टू नॉन एम्प्टी सेट and a relation f is called a function. What is function? Suppose there are elements 1 2 3 whatever be the elements are there, 4 5 6, okay? And in this set suppose 6 7 8 ऐसा कुछ elements है, and if every element of a is somehow related, okay, every element of a is related to some element of what? b. इसमें सब element क्या होगा? इसके साथ related होगा. And what is the relation? Relation is unique. See, 1 is only related to 6, 2 is only related to 8, 3 is only related to what? 7. That means what happen? Every element of A is uniquely associated or related with the element of B, and then we can say that f from A to B is called what? Function. This set is called domain of the function. This set is called codomain of the function, and the images, these are called what? Images under the function f. The images of 1 under f is denoted by what? F1, okay? Here f1 equal to 6. Image of 2 under the function f is denoted by what? F2, and it is called what? It is given what? 8. And the image of 3 is what? F3, okay? And the collection of images are called what? Range. What is range? Range is the collection of the images of the elements in the domain. Domain के अंदर जो elements है उसका जो image क्रिएट होगा कोडोमेन पे, ये जो image है ये image का collection क्या होती है? It is called range, okay? The range is the collection of all the images of the elements इनसाइड द डोमेन. डोमेन के अंदर जो एलिमेंट्स है सबका इमेज जो होगा, ये सारी इमेज का कलेक्शन क्या है? रेंज है, ठीक है? दिस इज द बेसिक आइडिया अबाउट व्हाट फंक्शन, डोमेन एंड रेंज, ओके? नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिफाइन व्हाट इज सीक्वेंस. सीक्वेंस इज ए पर्टिकुलर टर्म. Sequence is a, just I define it, sequence is a function. Sequence is a function whose domain is Domain is the set of natural number. Okay, sequence is a function whose domain is the set of natural number. Okay, suppose that capital A, I am denoting the sequence by small capital letter A, and capital letter is a function whose domain is this is A. Okay, A is a small a is a function from what? Small n to some set. Okay, it may be a subset of real number or anything, not a subset of real number. Okay, something, suppose A is a collection of some objects. Okay, or numbers, whatever be. तो इसमें क्या होगा? नेचुरल नंबर ही होगा. डॉट डॉट डॉट. Understood? There are infinite number of natural numbers are there, and sequence is what? Sequence is a function. Sequence is a function, very important. Sequence is a function whose domain is the set of natural number. What is the image of 1 under A? It is denoted by what? A1. ठीक है, it is denoted by what? A1. Image of 2 is denoted by what? A2. Like image of any element in the domain under the function is denoted by what? F1, right? In this way, moving ahead, image of n is what? An. Image of n is what? An. And this particular A1 is denoted by A suffix 1. It is denoted by A suffix 2. It is denoted by A suffix n. Understood? And these are the A1, A2, dot 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 A1, An. This A1, A2, dot 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 An, dot dot ऐसा जाएगा ना, और एलिमेंट रहेगा. For every natural number there is a some image. There is a some image in this particular set. And collection of all these images, ये जो images है, this A1, A2, dot 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 An, these are called the term of the sequence. And the sequence is denoted by the symbol this, or it is denoted by this symbol. Okay, this is in second bracket, it is called sequence, or it is called sequence, and the sequence of this term are by second bracket or you can first bracket. Okay, you can write there, that is this type of symbols. This is called a sequence. This is called a sequence. And nth term, this is called what? Nth term of the sequence. This is called first term of the sequence. This is called second term of the sequence. Then third term, and it is what? Nth term of the sequence. N number जो term है, ये पहला term है, ये दूसरा term है, ये तीसरा term है, ऐसे ये क्या है? Nth term है. ठीक है? So sequence is ultimately A. And this A is usually denoted by what? This symbol. It is called A. Okay, this symbol. Okay, and the term of the sequence are like that in respective of what? Natural number. For example, suppose that if I say n by n plus 1 a term. Okay, n by n plus 1, you will understand very nicely. Okay, when n equal to 1, suppose it is n. When n equal to 1, what you get? You get a1. a1 equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay. When n equal to 2, you will get a2. a2 will be what? क्या होगा? 2 by 3. Okay. And when n equal to what? Suppose 3, you will get a3, and it will be what? 3 by 4. Okay. In this way you get. In this way, what you will get? Suppose dot 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 n equal to, suppose what? N. In this case, your an will be what? N by n plus 1. Okay, understood? So this is the nth term of the sequence. Sequence क्या है? a1, a2, dot dot dot, an, dot 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 dot. Okay, this is the sequence, and its nth term is given by what? N by n plus 1 for every respective natural number. For every respective natural number, for every individual natural number, देयर इज ए सम नंबर एसोसिएटेड, ओके। 1 के साथ हाफ है, 2 के साथ 3/2/3 है, 3 के साथ 3/4 है। दैट मीन्स व्हाट हैपन, इट दिस पर्टिकुलर रिलेशन रिप्रेजेंटिंग ए फंक्शन लाइक ए, फंक्शन हो रहा है कि नहीं, बिकॉज एवरी नेचुरल नंबर के लिए कोई ना कोई एलिमेंट हमें मिल रहा है, और जो एलिमेंट मिल रहा है ये एलिमेंट क्या है, यूनिक है, बिकॉज 1 किसके साथ जुड़ा है, ओनली हाफ के साथ, 2 किसके साथ जुड़ा है, ओनली 2/3, 3 किसके साथ जुड़ा है, 3/4, तो देयर रिलेशन इज व्हाट, यूनिक। एंड सिंस एवरी नेचुरल नंबर के लिए कोई ना कोई एलिमेंट हमें मिल रहा है, दैट्स वाई दिस पर्टिकुलर रिलेशन रिप्रेजेंटिंग व्हाट, a function, representing what, a function, and this is n is called the nth term of the, and this function is called what, sequence, and sequence का क्या है, nth term क्या है, n/n+1, ठीक है। so this is actually sequence, so sequence is nothing but a function whose domain is the set of natural number, okay, which is the domain of the set of natural number, ठीक है। तो आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा समझ में आ गया है। अभी हम बात करेंगे व्हाट इज़ रियल सीक्वेंस। अभी सीक्वेंस के बारे में बात किया है, तो इसमें क्या है, नंबर के रिप्रेजेंट किया है मैंने, इसमें नंबर ना होकर दूसरा कुछ भी हो सकता है, ऐसा कुछ एग्जाम्पल भी होगा। लेकिन रियल सीक्वेंस क्या है, रियल सीक्वेंस इज़ ए पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस इन विच रेंज इज़ ए सबसेट ऑफ व्हाट, आर। रियल सीक्वेंस में क्या होगा, जो रेंज होगा सीक्वेंस का, ये जो सीक्वेंस ए है उसका जो रेंज होगा, ये रेंज क्या है, रेंज विल बी ए सबसेट ऑफ व्हाट, रियल नंबर्स। इसमें मतलब है कि जो नेचुरल नंबर के साथ जुड़ा हुआ नंबर इधर मिलेगा, जो नंबर मिलेगा, ये सारी नंबर क्या है, जो रेंज मिलेगी, और रेंज का जो नंबर है, ये सारी नंबर क्या होगा, रियल नंबर होगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू सी, फॉर एवरी नेचुरल नंबर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल यू सी हाफ, 2/3, 3/4, वट एवर विद द नंबर यू आर गेटिंग, जो नंबर आप लोगों को मिल रहा है, ये सारे नंबर क्या है, रियल नंबर है। दैट मीन्स ये जो सीक्वेंस मिल रहा है, ये सीक्वेंस जो फंक्शन है, इसका नाम सपोज ए है, सो ये जो फंक्शन है उस फंक्शन का रेंज क्या हो रहा है, रेंज इज ए सबसेट ऑफ व्हाट, आर। सो दिस पर्टिकुलर ए एन इज इक्वल टू n/n+1 जो सीक्वेंस है, दिस सीक्वेंस इज द nth टर्म ऑफ द सीक्वेंस, एंड सीक्वेंस क्या होगा, सीक्वेंस विल बी दिस, एंड इसका रिलेशन होगा दिस n/n+1, दिस इज सीक्वेंस। इसका मतलब है इसका nth टर्म n है, और बाकी n का वैल्यू 1 से पुट करके आप जितना नेचुरल नंबर पुट करेंगे सबके लिए एक टर्म मिलेगी, which will be लाइक क्या का नंबर आ रहा है, हाफ आ रहा है, देन व्हाट हैपन 2/3 आ रहा है, देन व्हाट हैपन 3/4 आ रहा है। इन दिस वे दिस इज द सीक्वेंस, दिस इज द व्हाट, सीक्वेंस, ओके। एंड दिस सीक्वेंस का सब नंबर, जितना नंबर मिल रहा है, ये सारी नंबर क्या है, रियल नंबर है, देयरफॉर इट इज़ ए रियल सीक्वेंस, इट इज़ ए व्हाट, रियल सीक्वेंस, ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, रियल सीक्वेंस। आई होप बेसिक आइडिया आई हैव गिवन टू यू अबाउट सीक्वेंस। जस्ट यू रिमेंबर सीक्वेंस इज ए फंक्शन whose domain is the set of natural number. And what is the real sequence? Real sequence is also a function whose domain is the set of natural number, and in addition what happen, the range is a subset of real number, range is a subset of real number, and this is the particular example which is expressed as real sequence, which is called as a real sequence, and its nth term is represented by what, n/n+1, and sequence is represented by like that, or sometimes in second bracket, okay. So in higher classes you will study these things very in a wide range, just you get in glimpses of sequence I have given, and from here I want to know about what is the progression, what is actually progression, what is arithmetic progression, let us we will define, okay. Now we are going to discuss about finite and infinite sequence. What is finite sequence? Finite sequence is, in a particular sequence is number of terms are finite. Number of terms agar finite ho, then it is called what, finite sequence. And in a particular sequence, if number of terms are infinite, then it is called infinite sequence. So it is very simple. For example, suppose that if I consider a n equal to suppose if I say 1 by n, okay, 1 by n, and where n equal to what, 1 2 3 dot 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 up to 10, okay. Then in this, it is the nth term of the sequence, okay. This is the sequence, okay. This is the nth term of the sequence, and sequence का क्या होगा, कैसा होगा sequence, देखो, it will be a1 होगा, then a2 dot 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 a3, and finally what happened, a10. There will be 10 terms in this particular sequence, and 10 terms will be what type of sequence, a1 क्या होगा, 1 होगा, then half होगा, then 1 by 3 होगा, dot 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 1 by 10. So this is a sequence where there are how many terms, there are 10 terms. So this is called finite sequence. This is called what, finite sequence. And let us consider another sequence. Suppose an is equal to what, an is equal to what, suppose 1 by or n by n plus 1, okay. This is a sequence, and where n belongs to what, natural number, all the natural number. Here we have taken natural number up to what, 10. So here taking all the natural number, this natural number are infinite. So your term will be क्या होगा, term क्या होगा, a1 a2 a3 dot 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 an dot 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 dot, ऐसा जाते रहेगा, ठीक है. It will go on. Then your term will, the sequence will be a1 क्या होगा, 1 by 1 plus 1 half, then 2 by 2 plus 1, that is a 3 by 3 plus 1 means 4. In this way nth term to n by n plus 1 है, and in this way go on, okay. So in this particular sequence there are how many terms, infinite number of terms. So it is an infinite sequence. It is what, infinite sequence, okay, infinite sequence. ये क्या है, it is what, finite sequence, finite sequence. So ultimately what is finite sequence? A sequence in which there are finite number of terms are called finite sequence, and a sequence in which there are infinite number of terms are called what, infinite sequence. I hope you can write the definition very well, and you can give the example like that. So finally you can understand what is finite sequence and what is infinite sequence, okay. I have written few numbers, first one, then second one, then 2 3 5 8. You have seen that this particular numbers have no visible pattern. इसमें कोई एक specific pattern observe नहीं कर पा रहा हो या दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, okay. In this particular number are not following any particular specific pattern, okay, but we can make relation among them, okay. This is called first term, this is second term, this is third, this is fourth, fifth, sixth, in this way go on, okay. Now see, first term is suppose a1. Here a1 is equal to 1 and second term is a2, both are 1, so a1 is equal to a2 is equal to what, 1, okay. Now what is a2, a3 is equal to what, 2, third term is 2, and it is written as 1 plus 1, and this 1 plus 1 can be written as what, a2 plus a1. Can I write this? So a2 is equal to what, 1, and a1 is also what, okay. And in this way, if you find a3, a4, you see a4 equal to what, 3, a4 equal to what, 3, and a4 can be written as what, 2 plus 1. This is 3 na, 3 is equal to 2 plus 1, and 2 means what, a3, and 1 means what, you can say a2. हम a1 भी लिख सकते हो, you can write a1 also, but I am maintaining the pattern 3 then 2, okay. In this way a4 can, a5 क्या होगा, you can write a5 is equal to, you can observe that a5 can be written as what, a4 plus a3, आप लिख सकते हो. a4 क्या है, a4 is what, 3, and a3 is what, 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to what, 5. तो आपको एक रेकरेंस रिलेशन मिल रहा है, ना. तो आप A6 में जाइए, आप देखेंगे 5 plus 3 is equal to what, 8. सो 3 क्या हो रहा है, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 5 क्या हो रहा है, 3. लास्ट जो कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स है उस दोनों का सम क्या हो रहा है, ये टर्म मिल रहा है. 8 किससे मिल रहा है, लास्ट 2 कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स का सम से मिल रहा है, ठीक है। सो इन दिस वे व्हाट विल बी द nth टर्म, nth टर्म क्या होगा, an will be दिस पर्टिकुलर, ये जो रिलेशन है इसको हम लिख सकता हूँ, A4 कैन बी रिटन इफ इट इज n then it will be what 5 minus 1 and it will be what 5 minus 2. कैन आई राइट दिस सफिक्स में जाकर देखो 4 क्या है 5 minus 1 उसके साथ मैं रिलेट कर रहा हूँ, and 3 can be written as what 5 minus 2. okay, so what is a n, if it is n then according to this rule it can be a n minus 1 plus it can be what a n minus 2, where very important is thing n greater than what 2. n अगर 2 हो जाए तो नहीं होगा, ठीक है, यार 2 से छोटा होगा तो नहीं होगा, तो हमें क्या करना है, n 2 से बड़ा है 3 से शुरू होगा, n का वैल्यू क्या होगा 3 4 5, फॉर ऑल दिस कंडीशन यू विल गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ रिलेशन. this particular recurrence relation only what happen a1 and a2 should be 1 and remaining जो टर्म है उसमें एक recurrence relation मिलती है. recurrence relation means what, वो टर्म previous टर्म से साथ जुड़ा होता है, so this term is related to its previous terms, that's why this is a recurrence relation. And this particular recurrence relation what happen is a relation which is a relation among these particular terms, and this a particular terms up to infinity is called a sequence, and this particular name of the sequence is called what, Fibonacci sequence. This is called a Fibonacci sequence, and this Fibonacci sequence maintain this particular recurrence relation with what, this. okay, understood. Finally your that is Fibonacci sequence relation is what, first a1 and a2 must be equal to 1, then what happen, a3 is equal to what, a2 plus a1 and so on, then finally an equal to what, an minus 1 plus an minus 2, where n greater than what, 2. And this particular recurrence relation maintaining by a particular sequence is called what, Fibonacci spelling HI Fibonacci, Fibonacci sequence. Okay, this is called what, Fibonacci sequence. Now I am going to discuss about few questions in your exercise 9.1. This is the first question. You see, you are to find the first 5 terms of the sequence, okay, and in this sequence का nth term दिया हुआ है. What is the term? This is called nth term. वहाँ से आपको फर्स्ट टर्म से 5th टर्म तक निकालना है, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज योर a1, फर्स्ट टर्म क्या होगा, देखो फर्स्ट टर्म when putting n is equal to 1, minus 1 whole to the power 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 whole to the power 0 is what, 1. So 5 to the power 1 plus 1 is what, 5 is square equal to what, 25. Okay, this is the first term. And what will be the second term? Second term will be what, minus 1 whole to the power 2 minus 1 1 5 cube. So you can write what, that is a 125. Or you can write like that, it is 5 square, it is 5 cube, okay, it will be better. This is a2. Then next a3, putting n equal to 3 minus 1 whole square into 5 to the power 4, okay, which is equal to what, this is what, minus 5 cube hoga, okay, and finally it will be 5 to the power 4 hoga. Then a4 is equal to what, minus 1 whole cube, okay, and it will be 5 to the power what, 5 equal to minus 5 to the power 5, okay, and then this is f5, 5th term, minus 1 whole to the power 4, it is 5 to the power 6 equal to 5 to the power 6, okay. Though you can calculate, this will be a huge calculation, I think you have to maintain this way, these are the first term, this is second term, no need to expand it, okay. And if you can multiply, you can do it, okay. So if you remain this way, you will get marks, okay. Your purpose is to find how to find the number of the terms of the sequence का terms कैसे निकालते हैं, ठीक है. This is a very simple questions, okay. Just give a remind you, and there is a how to find the term of a particular sequence, okay. Now we are going to discuss about what a particular term, it is called series. What is actually series is? For suppose that A1, suppose An is a sequence, and the terms of the sequence are what? A1, A2, An, . So this particular sequence may be finite or infinite accordingly what number of terms are finite or infinite, okay. Now what is series? The expression, suppose an expression, if I consider an expression, the expression A1, sum of the terms of sequence, ये सीक्वेंस का जो टर्म है, टर्म को अगर सम किया जाए, सम करने के बाद जो रिजल्ट मिलेगी, दिस इज कॉल्ड सीरीज. दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? सीरीज. दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? सीरीज. एंड इफ द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आर फाइनाइट, देन दिस सीरीज इज डिनोटेड बाय द सिंबल, सपोज r इक्वल टू 1 अप टू n AR. ओके, दिस सीरीज इज डिनोटेड बाय दिस वे, r इज इक्वल टू 1 अप टू n. समीशन का मतलब है एडिशन. समेशन का मतलब है एडिशन. सपोज हाउ टू गेट इट? यू आर गेटिंग, फर्स्ट यू पुट r इज इक्वल टू 1 हियर, यू आर गेटिंग 1. आफ्टर पुटिंग r इक्वल टू 1 यू गिव ए प्लस साइन. से समेशन हो रहा है, सम हो रहा है, ठीक है. फिर r इज इक्वल टू, इफ यू पुट r इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 2, यू गेट व्हाट? A2. इन दिस वे यू गेट द लास्ट टर्म व्हाट? An. ओके, दिस इज ए फाइनाइट सीरीज, ओके. And if suppose r is equal to 1 up to infinity AR, then it will be like that A1 plus A2 plus ... An plus ... Okay, this is an infinite series, and these are called sum of the terms of a sequence. Sum of the terms of a sequence. Okay, this is called series. Understood? So related to this, few questions are there in your exercise. So let us solve 1-2 questions of exercise 9.1. Okay, this is the question. Here the question is, you see A1 equal to A2 equal to 2, and n is equal to what? An minus 1, where n is greater than 2. You have to find the first 5 terms and obtain the corresponding series. अब series भी निकालना है, ठीक है. This is the need of the question. So what is the solution? You see A1 and A2 already given. A1 and A2 is what? Both are what? 2. Now An relation, An equal to what? An minus 1, where n is greater than 2. Okay, n का वैल्यू आप कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? 3 से शुरू करेंगे. A3 equal to what? A3 minus 1, 2 minus 1. What is the value of A2? A2 equal to what? 2. So ultimately you are getting what? 2 minus 1 equal to what? 1. Then A4 equal to what? From this relation A3 minus 1. What is A3? A3 is equal to what? 1. 1 minus 1 equal to what? 0. And then A5, fifth term is equal to what? A4 minus 1. What is A4? 0. 0 minus 1 equal to what? Minus 1. ठीक है. These are the fifth term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Now what is the series? The required series is sum of the terms of the sequence. Sum of the terms of the sequence. What is the first term? 2. 2 plus next क्या है? 1 plus 0 plus minus 1, in this way, so on. Okay, other terms will come and it will be sum of the terms of the series. So if the series is finite, then it will be finite sum, and if the series is what infinite, then it is infinite terms. Okay, in this way we can write the series. Okay, this is the question related to this Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is this one. Okay, already I explained you. So in Fibonacci sequence there are two terms. First two terms are same, which is equal to 1, and other terms are related with this recurrence relations. Okay, other जितना term निकलेगी ये relation से आ जाएगी. ठीक है, and whatever be the sequence you will get, this sequence is Fibonacci sequence. Okay, now you have to find the terms. You have to find what different terms from this Fibonacci sequence and then find the value of this when n equal to 1. For n equal to 1 के लिए you have to find the value. For n equal to 2 you have to find the value. For n equal to 3 you have to find the value. I will going to find 1 or 2 and remaining you will try to find. Okay. So a1 is equal to a2 is what 1. Okay. And what is an? An is equal to what? An minus 1 plus an minus 2. Okay. What is n? N is greater than what? 2. So let us find n a3. A3 is equal to what? A3 will be, it is what? A2 and it is A1. तो दोनों का वैल्यू 1 है, तो A3 का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 2 होगा. Then A4. A4 will be what? A3 plus A2. So A3 is 2 plus 1 equal to what? 3. ठीक है. And then A5, I find few numbers. This is what? A5, A4, and this is what? A3. Then A4 equal to what? 3, and A3 equal to what? 2, and therefore it is 5. In this way you can find other values also. Now comes to this expression. Now for n equal to 1, for n equal to 1, an plus 1 by an क्या होगा? a2 by a1. ठीक है. For n equal to 1 the relation becomes a2 by a1. What is a2? a2 is 1, a1 is 1, so result is equal to what? 1. For n equal to suppose 4, I am taking 4. Okay, I am taking n is equal to what? 4. So your expression will be what? an plus 1 by what? an is equal to क्या होगा? It will be a5 by a4. Now what is a5? a5 equal to what? 5, and a4 equal to what? 3. So 5 by 3. So other part also for n is equal to 5 or n is equal to 3. n is equal to 5 के लिए आपको a6 चाहिए, तो आप a6 भी निकाल के रख दीजिएगा. ठीक है, और इसके बाद आप कर सकते हो. तो this way you can find the solution of this particular type of questions. So this is a very nice chapter. So in this particular chapter what we have learned today, we learn about what is sequence. Sequence is a function whose domain is the set of natural number. Whose domain is the set of natural number. Okay. And real sequence is what? Real sequence is what? Domain is the set of natural number, but range is also a subset of real number. So this is called real sequence. And then we know about Fibonacci sequence, and then know about series. Series is what? Is the sum of the terms of the sequence. Also we know about finite and infinite sequence, and we solve few questions related to this particular topic. Okay, so in the next class, this is a very basic idea about sequence and series, and in this particular chapter other part is like progression. What is progression? What is arithmetic progression? What is geometric progression? These are the important discussion for us, and if we get an idea about sequence, about progression, then we can get an idea about all this thing about what is arithmetic progression, what is geometric progression. This is called this base foundation. Okay, hope that you understand, and I have tried my best to make you understand the particular small concept related to what sequence. With this I conclude here. All the best and have a good day ahead.